Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ring Fit Adventure. First, attach the right Joy-Con to the Ring Con and the left Joy-Con to the leg strap. Secure the leg strap to your left thigh, ensuring it is snug but comfortable. Next, calibrate your accessories by following the simple on-screen prompts. You will then select your desired difficulty, which can be adjusted at any time. This initial setup takes only a few moments, getting you ready for your fitness journey. Adventure mode is the heart of Ring Fit Adventure. You'll navigate vibrant worlds by jogging in place, using the Ring Con to jump and interact. When you encounter enemies, battles commence, requiring you to perform various exercises like squats or overhead presses to deal damage. Successfully completing these fitness battles earns you experience points, coins, and ingredients. Use these rewards to level up, unlock new moves, and craft helpful smoothies for your journey. Proper form is crucial for an effective and safe workout. The game provides clear visual and audio cues to guide your posture and movements. Pay close attention to the on-screen character and the voice prompts to ensure you are performing each exercise correctly. Remember to breathe deeply and consistently throughout your workout. If you feel fatigued, take a brief rest or adjust the intensity. Listen to your body to prevent injury and maximize your fitness gains. Beyond the main story, Ring Fit Adventure offers several other engaging modes. Quick Play allows you to jump into specific exercises or fun minigames for a quick workout session. You can also design custom workout routines, tailoring them to target particular muscle groups or fitness goals. The game tracks your progress, including calories burned and exercise duration, helping you monitor your achievements and stay motivated on your fitness path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.